Imagine standing on the edge of a vast ocean, waves rippling out to an unseen horizon. This ocean isn't made of water, though. It's composed of connections, energy, and a profound truth about the universe that many of us are just beginning to understand. This is the world of quantum entanglement, a concept that challenges our conventional understanding of reality and opens a door to the hidden energies within us. Everything you believe about separation is an illusion. Science is revealing that everything in the universe is connected in a way that transcends time and space. This isn't just a quirky notion, but a foundational principle of quantum physics. At the heart of this idea is quantum entanglement, where particles once connected continue to influence each other no matter the distance between them. It's like rolling two dice, one in New York and the other in Tokyo, and having the outcome of each roll be mysteriously linked. Here's where it gets fascinating. Your consciousness isn't confined to your brain. Instead, it interacts with the very structure of the universe. The HeartMath Institute has conducted studies showing that the human heart generates a powerful electromagnetic field. This field can influence not just our own bodies, but also the environment around us. So, your emotions and intentions can extend beyond you, impacting others and the events in your life. This is a game changer when you start to realize the potential power you hold within you. If thoughts are energy, and energy never vanishes, where do our intentions go when we project them into the universe? Quantum entanglement suggests an interconnection between all particles, including those making up our being. When you focus intensely on something with strong emotion, that vibration resonates with another part of the universe, attracting situations and responses aligned with that frequency. This might explain why some people seem to effortlessly attract opportunities, while others struggle. This connection between mind and universe is not just a philosophical musing. The double-slit experiment showed that light behaves differently when observed, hinting that consciousness influences matter. This is an idea that bends the usual logic of science, but opens the door to understanding our true potential. Your subconscious plays a critical role here. It's like a living antenna, constantly receiving and transmitting frequencies. Your thoughts generate electromagnetic vibrations, interacting with the energy field surrounding you. Interestingly, this doesn't happen only on a conscious level. Most of these signals come from your subconscious. According to the HeartMath Institute, the human heart's electromagnetic field extends several feet beyond the body, acting as a bridge between your emotions and the environment. Your subconscious, shaped by deep-seated beliefs, can emit frequencies that attract similar energy. Think about those times when you're feeling down, and repeating affirmations such as, "I am worthy of abundance," helps to recondition your mind. High-vibration emotions, like gratitude and love, enhance your energy field. Techniques like emotional freedom technique and neuro-linguistic programming can help dissolve subconscious blockages. Consistent practice aligns your thoughts and emotions with the universe's natural flow, transforming your external reality to match your new inner frequency. When you align with the universe, you start seeing the world not as random events, but as a tapestry of connections. The universe responds to the vibrations you emit. When your mind and subconscious are attuned to abundance and well-being, opportunities, encounters, and synchronicities align with your frequency. These aren't coincidences, but the quantum field responding to your transmissions. Many people experiencing this transformation notice an increase in synchronicities. Solutions and opportunities appear at just the right moment. Emotional states improve as fear and anxiety lose their power. You feel a deep inner peace, understanding that everything is connected and flowing in your favor. Relationships shift, drawing in those who resonate with your new vibration. Challenges don't vanish, but your perspective on them changes. They become learning steps, not obstacles. Yet, a common pitfall is fluctuating between faith and doubt. The universe often tests us when we start changing our frequency. Challenges arise to confirm our commitment to transformation. These tests aren't punishments, but checkpoints. If you hold your confidence and continue vibrating at your new frequency, the universe registers this as your new reality. Imagine wanting more prosperity and beginning to shift your beliefs about money. Then, an unexpected expense arises. Most react with fear, slipping back into old frequencies. But this is a test. Respond with confidence, and the universe knows your new frequency is stable. This principle applies to any change. Want a healthier relationship? Old patterns may reappear to test you. Want professional success? Initial obstacles test your readiness to evolve. The universe tests to ensure you're ready to receive what you've asked for. Understanding this, challenges become progress signs, not failures. They mean your new reality is forming. The universe responds not to desire, but certainty. When you align your vibration without fear or attachment, reality shifts in profound ways. If you want wealth, but feel anxiety about money, that emotion signals lack. Conversely, feeling gratitude for wealth before it manifests shifts your vibration. Joe Dispenza explains that the key to manifestation is to embody the emotional state of what you want to experience, even before it manifests. Change your reality by shifting your inner frequency. Observe and change your thoughts, replacing negative patterns with ones that align with your desired reality. Enter the right emotional state, feeling as though you're already living your ideal life. Your energy must be supported by actions reflecting your new vibration. Many spiritual phenomena, once considered mystical, can be explained by quantum physics. Déjà vu, premonitions, and synchronicities align with quantum entanglement. Ancient spiritual traditions like prana, chi, and the Akashic field speak of an interconnected energy field. Quantum physics validates this, showing a subtle energy field permeating everything. David Bohm proposed the holographic universe theory, suggesting our perceived reality is part of a larger interconnected field. Schrödinger's idea that mind and world are one suggests consciousness is a fundamental aspect of reality. This aligns with the belief in universal consciousness, where our thoughts and intentions interact with the universal energy field. Quantum entanglement isn't limited to particles. It might explain spiritual connections. If particles remain connected across time and space, why not our consciousness? This could explain strong emotional connections from afar, or why twins sense each other's experiences. Concepts like soulmates might be seen as entangled consciousnesses resonating across space and time. Many try changing their lives only on a conscious level, but deep feelings of doubt and lack create vibrational conflict. Emotion shapes vibration. Cultivate the feeling of already living in abundance to align your vibration. To master this universal connection, act as if you are already the person you wish to become. If you want confidence, act confidently. If you desire success, make decisions like someone successful. Your subconscious needs evidence to accept a new reality. The final step is letting go and trusting the universe's flow. Align your vibration with your desires, releasing the need to control the how and when. Desire with anxiety reinforces lack, blocking the universe. Instead, align confidently, knowing your desires are in motion. The universe responds to certainty, not desire. By understanding quantum entanglement, the subconscious, and vibration, you unlock a powerful connection with the universe, guiding you toward a life of abundance and harmony. To delve deeper into how these concepts can transform your life, consider the role of intention. Intention acts as a guiding force, directing the energy you emit into the universe. When you set a clear intention, you create a specific vibration that aligns with your desired outcome. This is not merely wishful thinking, but a deliberate act of focusing your energy. The clearer and more focused your intention, the stronger the signal you send out, making it more likely to resonate with the universe and bring about the desired change. Moreover, the practice of mindfulness can enhance your ability to harness these universal principles. Mindfulness involves being fully present in the moment, aware of your thoughts and emotions without judgment. This awareness allows you to observe the patterns of your mind and the vibrations you are emitting. By practicing mindfulness, you become more attuned to the subtle energies within and around you, enabling you to make conscious choices that align with your intentions. Another essential aspect is the cultivation of gratitude. Gratitude is a high vibration emotion that can significantly impact your energy field. When you express gratitude, you acknowledge the abundance already present in your life, which in turn attracts more of the same. This is not just about being thankful for the big things, but also for the small, everyday moments that bring joy and fulfillment. By focusing on gratitude, you shift your vibration to a higher frequency, opening yourself up to receive more positive experiences. Additionally, consider the role of community and connection in amplifying these effects. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who share your beliefs and aspirations can create a collective energy that supports and enhances your personal growth. This community can provide encouragement, share insights, and offer support during challenging times. Together, you can create a powerful network of positive energy that resonates with the universe, amplifying the impact of your intentions. Finally, remember that patience and persistence are key. Transformation is a journey, not a destination. It requires consistent effort and dedication to reprogram your subconscious, align your vibrations, and maintain your connection with the universe. There will be moments of doubt and setbacks, but these are part of the process. Trust in the unfolding of your path and remain committed to your vision. With time and perseverance, you will witness the profound changes that these principles can bring to your life. In conclusion, the exploration of quantum entanglement, the subconscious mind, and vibrational energy reveals a universe rich with possibilities. By understanding and applying these concepts, you can tap into a deeper connection with the universe, unlocking your potential to create a life of abundance, joy, and harmony. Embrace this journey with an open heart and mind, and watch as the universe responds to your intentions, guiding you toward your highest potential.